All right, you guys, now before we get into today's haul, I'm so excited about the items that I'm going to show you. I want to show you really quickly how you can save when you are shopping on the Temu app. Now, if you haven't downloaded the Temu app yet, go ahead and download it. That's going to be the first step. Then you're going to open the app and type in my code KKZ9988 into the Temu search bar. Now, that part is very important. You need to enter KKZ9988 in the search bar, not at checkout. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on screen so you can follow along with me. Now, when you are searching, you're going to type in KKZZ9988 and you are going to unlock a $300 coupon bundle along with statewide discounts on the Temu app. Now, the coupon bundle can be claimed once using my code, and it's valid for 28 hours from the time that you claim it. So you don't want to wait. Don't take too long. Take advantage of those savings. Now, again, I'm going to leave that code KKZ9988 on the screen. There's also going to be a QR code throughout the video. You'll be able to easily scan that, or you can enter in that code whenever you're ready. You're probably like me, you're watching online, and then you're on your phone, sitting on the couch. Now, again, I hope you are set for today's savings because today's Temu haul is really fantastic. I picked up a variety of items that I'm going to show you. Obviously, one here I'm super excited about. And again, you can decide whether these items are worth adding to your cart or not, but let's get started with this first one. I am so excited. I recently just got back from a trip to Chicago with the boyfriend and some friends, and I wish that I would have had this suitcase with me. Now, these metal kind of suitcases are all the rage right now, and some of them are really, really heavy. I looked at some really expensive ones, and they're heavy. This one looks like it's metal, but it's plastic. It's also got some metal reinforcements on here too, which is going to be key. Here's what I love about this. Okay, first of all, it looks like a $1,500 suitcase. This is also great. It's got a handle at the top. It's got a handle here. It's got your telescoping handle here that goes way, way tall. I'm tall, I'm 6'2", so that is super important to me. And then look at this. I'm running around the airport, got my coffee in my hand, put it right there. This I don't think will fit. I've got my mug from Chicago here with my morning. Yeah, that's probably more so for like a Starbucks cup, right? This is a pretty big drinking cup. By the way, I've got a Diet Coke this morning. Because why not? But that folds really easily too. It's also got your TSA locks here on the side. It's obviously on wheels. Y'all, I'm excited about this. I did kind of pop this open here, and look at the inside of this. The inside of this bag is fantastic. Now, I've already kind of dug around in it. Okay, see this? You're probably thinking, what is that? It's a charging port. It's a charging port because there's another extension for it that you can charge your devices here. It's also got the strapping here, which is fantastic. It's got this extra pocket here on the layer that you zip up and you can kind of hide things in there. I also love that you've got the two zipper pockets here at the top. You've got a privacy kind of screen. I know I'm at the dining room again because the craft room is a little messy, but check that out. Again, the code, everything you need, the QR code on screen. And I've got a trip coming up to the beach in a couple weeks, and this just might have to go with me as well. I think that this is a fantastic kind of a quick trip, quick weekend, long weekend. And I'm really excited about that. And by the way, too, let me show you, it did come in a cardboard box, and the cardboard box was padded with, it did have styrofoam wrapping around it. So that was cool. That was definitely cool. All right, definitely check out that suitcase. Let's go into this next item. This is super fun. This is a tote bag, and you can see it's kind of embossed there. It says tote bag on it, but what I loved about this is, first of all, the inside is gorgeous. The inside is beautiful. Look how nice that is. If you are a guy, if you're a girl, you could absolutely carry this for work. It does come with a shoulder strap as well. You could also just carry it like this. I think maybe for like the ladies, if you wanted to carry it this way, it's very chic. And then guys, if you wanted to add this and put it on there, you could absolutely do that. It does have a pocket on the inside too. You can see it right there. And it's got snaps at the top here, so it does kind of help keep, you know, your stuff safe if you're walking around the city or in the train or anything. And just for reference, because this was important, I did want to make sure that, you know, this was going to be functional for me. I've got my laptop here. My laptop is a 13-inch laptop. Fits perfectly fine, and as you can see, there's definitely more room for a notebook, a pen. It could be my wallet, it could be really anything. And you see my laptop is pretty heavy, and it does hold a really nice structure to it. So again, if this is something that you're interested, check out that QR code, check out my code, type it in the search bar. You're going to get all kinds of great options here. And hello, why not get some stylish fun? I didn't get as many items in this haul as I typically would, but I wanted to get some things that were a little nicer, a little more pricey, you know, because Temu has such a great variety of stuff. Of course, you know, I got some jewelry, and this ring in particular, this really thick kind of band, I thought was fantastic. It's kind of a silver tone. I'll definitely zoom in on it for you so you can kind of see that a little bit better. It's also got some great, very simple detail to it. Ladies, if you are looking for a larger ring, maybe you want to wear it like on this finger, you could certainly do that. Look at the men's jewelry, because the men's jewelry has a lot of different items to it. And just full transparency, I look at the ladies' jewelry too, because if there's something I like, I'm going to get it. I do wear a size 10. This is definitely true to size. And you can see there it fits on both hands. This next ring that I bought, and then these are the only two jewelry items, and then we'll get into some really cool items coming up. This ring I've had before when I was a little bit heavier. I loved this ring, but now that I'm smaller, my fingers have also lost some weight. And I just thought that was beautiful. I love this kind of bluish green, purpley. It kind of reminds me of like the water in the Caribbean. It's got a gold and silver tone to it, which I think is super nice. And I just love the way this looks. Again, I'm going down in size. I think this was a couple dollars, so it makes sense. Like, it's such a good thing. And then the other one I can actually give to a friend of mine, because he's always complimenting me on my Temu jewelry, and it's very easy to gift it to him because he has a larger hand than I do. So look at that. Like, I would absolutely wear these together and wear them on the same hand. And I'm just going to keep them on while we're chatting. Now, I am in the middle of redoing my bedroom, and I've got this kind of Ralph Lauren kind of, you know, equestrian, that's the word, kind of vibe going on in there. And I wanted something that I could put on the dresser that's just very simple. And then if I was taking my watch, my rings, anything like that off at the end of the day, I have a beautiful place to kind of put them down. And this I really like because it will hold my wallet, it will hold my keys, and it'll hold like any kind of rings or watches or anything like that. So this is going to be perfect. I have white bedroom furniture, and that's going to be great because it's going to look really good. It's going to look really sharp. It's going to hold everything, and it's super easy and very transitional too. I could actually put this on the fireplace too. Maybe put some candles in it, and that adds a nice kind of ambiance to the fireplace area too. So this is super versatile. This could even go on the back of the toilet, honestly, and you could put your scents on there. You could do all kinds of stuff with it. So it definitely would fit in the bathroom too. Very versatile, definitely something. And this is I believe this came in 2 sizes, and I think that this is the larger size, by the way. All right, we know I've been losing weight. I've been taking meals to work when I do go into the office. And I loved this container because it's kind of like a nesting container. So it's got 3 other sizes in there. So you start with the larger one. I love the lid. I love the fact that it's got 1, 2, 3 what is that, 6 different clips to really help hold this in place because I do take the train into work. It's important to have something that is going to stay put and stay closed. And then you get this smaller size so you can kind of see the difference here. And then again, you've got those 6 clips. I think there's still 6. Oh, there's 5 clips. So as you go smaller, you get less clips, but that's okay. So great size there. And then this is your next size. And you've got the same snappy lids, 4 clips there. And then you've got the baby size. But with me kind of having a different appetite now, I am on a GLP-1. I've kind of told everybody that. My appetite's just not as large as it was. And it's important for me to get in a lot of protein and things like that. So these are great for that because the smallest 2 that were in this set is about probably what I would have for lunch, like for a salad, and then I can add some protein. And then I certainly do other things throughout the day too. But great convenience too. Hello. What about cabinets? I don't know about y'all, but I don't have a lot of cabinet space in my little kitchen. And this is great because if I wanted to order 2 or 3 or 4 of these sets, they're not going to take up a lot of space because all you got to do is stack them. And you saw how easy it was for me to kind of put those together. All right, small kitchen. I also have a small dishwasher. I call it the Barbie dishwasher, the dollhouse dishwasher, because it is so tiny. I literally have an 18-inch dishwasher, and my silverware kind of basket that I have in there has seen better days. The bottom of it is starting to, there's some holes in here, and so forks and things are falling through. What I loved about this is that, first of all, it's got the handle on the top. I don't know if I'm going to put the handle on mine, to be honest, because I kind of like the idea of it not, but it does just pop right on there, so you could certainly take it off if you wanted to. I didn't stick it all the way down here, by the way, just for full transparency in case it comes off really easily. It's got the baskets here where you can easily drop things in, but I also like it's kind of got this built-in kind of filter system, if you will. So if you wanted to really kind of be strict about, where the knives go, where the forks go, you can do that. And there's different sizes, there's different widths here. And this might not be the most exciting kind of thing, but you know what? This is practical. And that is something that I love about Temu, because I can get luggage, I can get jewelry, I can get practical things for the kitchen, practical storage. Like, there's a lot of different things that you can do here. This is another thing. I'm gonna actually show this one last. I'm very excited about this one. I've only got like 2 more items, which is crazy for me. I do send a lot of my laundry out. It's a privilege, it is a spoil, it is a treat, and I can have somebody else do my laundry, and it's amazing. And the person that does my laundry is awesome. That's not for everybody. Totally get that. I don't send everything out. I do keep socks, underwear, things like that I may use more frequently. So this is for me at the house. Now you're probably thinking, that looks like a laundry basket that's been run over by a car. No, it's a folding laundry basket. Boom. How cute is that? Practical. Oh my gosh, so practical, so easy, so great. This is where my mind is going. Ladies, you've got bras, panties, you've got lingerie, you've got little things. Boom. Maybe you've got space in your kitchen where you could put this under the sink and you could put your dish towels and things like that, as they're dirty, but you don't want to just throw one in the washer, so you could keep them there. It's plastic. You could certainly cut this if you wanted to. There are things for, I'm going to use it for socks and underwear and things like that, but it's just enough to be a full load, or at least, a semi-full load. And then it stores right next to the dryer or right next to the washer. How great is that? How great is that? If Temu makes this in the future in other sizes, or if I can find this in other sizes, I'm going to be buying them all. I'm going to be buying them all. This last item, I'm super excited about this. I have this kind of really cool mid-century-esque vibe in my living room. And I did redo a couple things in the living room, nothing too crazy. But I wanted a kind of mid-century looking Bluetooth speaker that wasn't going to cost me a fortune. And this one fit the bill perfectly. Now, it fits because the style. Obviously, it's got kind of that wood tone. It's got these great kind of vintage looking speakers that I love. I did keep the box here. It comes with all the cables and different things that you would need. This is wireless, first of all, so you've got a wireless speaker. You've got USB input. It takes a TF card input. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but if you need it, you know. And it's got an auxiliary port, so you can plug other things into it. And then it's got a stereo effect kind of sound to it. This is going to look so good on my fireplace. I've got a little bit of a gap between like where the painting is hanging on the wall versus where the top of the mantle is. My mantle is white, so this is going to add a nice pop of color, and I'll show it to you for sure here. But I love this so much, and I'm really looking forward to charging this up and listening to this and sharing that sound. And how cool when people come over to the house and they see this and they think that you either paid a fortune for it, or they think that it is vintage and you picked it up somewhere really cool. And the first thing they're going to be like is, oh, does that work? And it's like, yep, it sure does. Let me show you. So super cool. Again, this is fantastic. I'm so happy, so happy with my Temu items. I didn't get as many items as I would typically have gotten in the past, but I think I definitely was more I was more intentional with what I was getting, because again, the quality and the variety that you're going to get on Temu is so good. I mean, come on, this. I'm so excited about this. The first thing I'm gonna do when I'm done filming this video is get that set up. And then I think I'm gonna have to figure out a trip somewhere so I can take this suitcase, because this is pretty awesome as well. I'm gonna pack my lunch so I can take that. This is gonna go in the dresser. I'm gonna show you all this stuff because this is enough of a haul to really showcase some really great things. All right, you guys, you know the deal. Codes, QR codes, everything is here on screen for you. Definitely check them out. Go shopping. Let me know in the comments if you've shopped at Temu, what you've purchased before, or if you've seen some things here that you want to log in and purchase yourself. All right, guys, until next time, we'll have another Temu haul coming up soon and some fun stuff. Can you imagine what's coming up? I'm so excited for like fourth quarter with Temu, with all the Christmas stuff coming up, with all the fall stuff that's coming up, all the Halloween stuff. So much good. By the way, there was a Christmas in July haul, Temu haul, that you can reference. I'm gonna link that here on the end so you can definitely go and check that one out as well. Again, so many great items. Oh, and I have to tell you guys before we go, the vacuum cleaner that I picked up like 2 Temu hauls ago, it is so good. It is so good. My housekeeper asked me if she could use my vacuum cleaner because hers was broken when she came to clean my house, and I left it out for her. She sent me a text and she was like, oh my God, James, that thing is so good. Where did you get that? And so of course I had to tell her at Temu. All right, guys, until next time, I'll chat with you later. Bye-bye.